Let me tell you why high ticket e-commerce is the #1 dropshipping business model into 2023. High ticket e-commerce solves all of the typical issues you encounter when you first begin to start dropshipping. Problems like having really cheap, low quality products, really bad communication with suppliers, slow ship times, and overall not having good control over the quality and fulfillment of your product. Another major issue is obviously profit margins. You see, traditionally, you'll be lucky if you ever make a profit when you're selling really cheap, low quality products. Reason being is because not only do you have to pay for the product cost, but you have to pay for the shipping costs. You also have to pay for the advertisements that are necessary to make those sales. 99% of the time, it results in you being highly unprofitable. Luckily, for high ticket dropshipping, our suppliers give us a healthy profit margin that allows us to come in confident that we can make sales that will actually make money. For example, when a high ticket dropshipper sells a product, it's within the thousands. This leaves us with a couple hundred to a couple $1,000s in profit. And that's just with a single order. Another awesome thing about high ticket e-commerce is that since our suppliers are all based in the United States, shipping time for these high ticket products often vary from around 7 to 14 days, which is more than adequate enough for people who are willing to spend thousands and thousands of dollars online. Lastly, our customers come right to us. Reason being, as a high ticket dropshipper, you're going to be advertising on Google. Google's a search engine marketing platform where people go to search for what they want. So whenever you're running advertisements for a product, we only get charged when someone who's interested in us to actually buy the product. No more advertising to people who don't care about your products. No more selling cheap, low quality products. No more trying to source products from overseas. No more slow shipping times. Welcome to the reality of dropshipping in 2023. Don't forget, if you're interested in anything that I've spoken about today, all you've got to do is hit the link in my bio, sign up for my free training. I'm going to be revealing all the secret strategies you need to go from a beginner to launching your very own high ticket store and be on your way to making your first $1,000 sale online. I'll see you guys there.